We are here today with the wonderful brand new EH6306R and the RS. The R stands for the inox stainless steel, and then we have the RS for the beautiful black stainless steel. Now, these are both part of the Grand Chef lineup with the Builtin Microwave coming soon. Keep an eye out for that one. And this works very well in any of your traditional modern kitchens. Now, the reason why this oven is so special to us, and especially to me, is that not only does it have a very user-friendly and easy-to-use touch system, but my favorite function out of all the 15 functions is the air fryer function. That's right, you get to reduce the clutter in your kitchen on your countertop by incorporating one of the newest household appliances of the air fryer straight into your oven with the same functionality, if not even better. Now you can see that this comes with a special air fryer basket, and the system is very easy to turn on. You touch the air fryer basket, you set the temperature you want, and then you click go. Now you're air frying. Fantastic. Turn that one off, and you're able to cycle through all the functions that you like with a very easy touch of this button. You can change the temperature, you can change the time to anything you like, and you can turn the light on and off. Other great parts of this amazing oven is that the inside is coated with this lovely, easy to clean, anti-allergic, environmentally friendly enamel inserts, which make the oven super easy to clean. On top of that, you have a triple glazed front door, which is thermo-reflective to keep all the heat inside, along with making sure the door is cool to the touch so nobody ends up burning themselves. Another cool feature is on the inside, on the top left corner, is the insert for a food temperature probe. So you can set the oven timer to turn off when it reaches a certain temperature inside of the piece of meat that you are cooking. On top of that, you also have these lovely, easy telescopic rails. The entire system is easy to remove for easy cleaning. It comes with a lot of these beautiful enamel shelving, along, of course, with the air fryer basket, an infrared grill on top. Another one of my personal favorite features is on the top of the door, on the inside, is a recipe guide, which, of course, if you're following a recipe online, you may not need it, but if you just kind of want to ballpark what you're trying to cook, you can use a recipe guide. It will tell you what function to cook what kind of food the best in this oven. With that, I look forward to having you as our esteemed customer.